Alright, Sakani. No, what's going through your mind?
I can ask you one more thing. Why do we live up here, dude? All the natural disasters that happen up here. So that was barely got that shit,
Excuse me, sir. What is wrong with you, Sakani? Why are you crying? Good answer, great answer, actually. So, where will you be when a tornado is occurring? You can come down in the basement with us, right? Alright. Nothing is going to happen to you, my boy, okay?
Crazy? We can get tossed up, brother. Yeah, they don't care. Hey, just hold my hand and second when we go in the basement.
Dude.
Pray you gonna
Dude, are you okay, dude? Oh my god! Dude, it's okay. You're not going to die, dude. Sagani, it's okay. You're not going to die. I'm going to make sure that you don't die. Trust me. It's just a tornado. We're gonna go down in the basement. Why what happened to the house or anything? Like, it's okay. Nothing is going to happen to you. Oh my god. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, good. Relax, just breathe. Oh my god. Sikani, you good? Why are you crying? Wait, why are you crying? The tornado, anything? Do you even know what a tornado is?
You!
What's a tornado?
It's been so long!
Okay, you see a tornado around here? So why are you crying?
No!
Oh my god. It's okay, man. Stop crying. Okay? You done? Good.